Hello, it's Papaw 66, American Redneck Handyman. Don't do this professionally, so please be easy on the remarks. Just trying to be helpful. Currently working on a 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia, replacing the door lock mechanism. Sits in there like that. First thing you gotta do, have a few hours spare time. Pop this cover off from the bottom. You got a Phillips screw. Pop this off from the top. You got a Phillips screw. Pop this cover plate off with the non-marked wedge. Got a screw there. Got a screw there. Be careful taking this off. This just snaps in, snaps out. But you got to get an unmarked wedge. Be careful, you don't want to mark your leather. Take that off. Then it kind of snaps loose like any other door. Also put on some vented rotors. I think it looks pretty cool. But that wasn't today. Once you get the door cover off, got a quick connect for the window button, quick connect for the door panel. Take this screw off, take these three screws out. I took off the little clip that goes there, so you can get this off a little easier. This is that little plate that covers that. It's where you use your non-mark. You got a T star drive in there. That comes loose. You got a screw in behind here. Have to wiggle jiggle this out. Take that, and then this pops off. There's a quick connect in there for the electric button and the sensor. Snap that off, loosen the screw that's in behind there, and watch these clips. I didn't, I broke them. Now don't set flush. Take this loose. That holds that white bracket loose down in there. Take all of these loose. The guy seen the chat in Alfa Romeo, said he took the speakers out. I left the speakers in, wasn't a big deal. Pop these two little cover plates off, roll the window down, set screw, wiggle it out, take these off, kind of wiggles out from the bottom. Got one electrical clip, two stabs, one here, one there. Kind of comes off. Switch it out. Put it all back together. I haven't quite put everything back together, but these two and that is the key. Be careful of this so you don't break it. Hope this helps. Take care. May the 4th be with you. Happy Star Wars Day. Take care. Bye.